If I had to bet money on it that one of these cylinders are washed out, rings are done. I think we're getting 100% blow by on one, if not two, cylinders on this engine. And if you can see, that is oil inside the harness. But look at that. Which cylinder is this?
5. So this could be what caused it. These have been replaced and they may not have been clocked correctly. So what you're looking for is the electrode on the spark plug. That is what needs to be clocked a certain direction so that when the direct injection injector sprays in here, it doesn't bounce off of the spark plug. And what happens is when it does contact the spark plug, it creates a hot spot in the piston and will melt a hole through the piston, which could be what happened here, but we'll have to wait and see.
We have an astonishing 50 PSI.
That's not enough.
That is not enough. So I'm not real good at math, but I don't think 50 is within 10 or 20% of 200.